Okay, today we're working on coolers with the doors that don't close right. We've all had this annoying door where it's left open and just doesn't close. So basically, you're gonna start.
I couldn't even hear.
With a 3/8. Take the 3/8. There's two nuts up in here that you're gonna take off. And then once those are off, you just slide the door up and out. The door comes off. And you got this clip on the top that holds the door. It's really important that you get this off and you make sure that you have that lock washer to lock the screw back into place. This is a guard to level out the hinge so the hinge isn't bent crooked. So it's really important that guard goes back on too. Then you're going to take off your washer sets. So you're going to have one washer with a square, and that's only on a true. Then you're going to have these little other washers that have to come off, and you got to make sure you save those because most hinges don't come with them. Then you'll take these two screws out. And this is called a cartridge hinge. Just get your screwdriver underneath the cartridge hinge, push up on it.
Well, thank you.
And the cartridge comes out. And you get the replacement cartridge hinges, which you can get from us. We have them available at any time. We can mail them to you. Then you just push the cartridge hinge back down inside there. You put the two screws back inside the top. Make sure they're lined up. At this point in time, you probably don't want to use a power tool so you don't strip them out. Once they're lined up, then you can hit it with the power tool again. Back in. And this assembly goes on the plastic washer, the horseshoe washer. It's got an opening to it, and the opening has to go facing towards all the screws and stuff. And then you're going to have the other plastic washer. Then you're going to have this funny washer with the square shape. That'll be the last one to go on. And you'll put it on like that. Then you'll grab your top. You'll make sure your top lines up on that hole and has a little bit of a 45-degree angle. And then you're going to make sure that you don't lose that little lock washer right there and put it back on. And this one, no power tools, because it's a little hot metal sort of deal and it will crack the metal. Just snug, not overly tight. Then you put your door back on by grabbing this little piece here at the bottom of the door, putting it back in place. Then you line up with this hole and go up into place. Then you'll grab your 3/8 again and you'll line up on this very first hole that's closest to you. Okay, once you're lined up, you'll still leave that one loose. And then you're going to push the hinge backwards until that other hole lines up. Once that hole lines up, still leave them both loose. And you make sure on your door that you can slide it back and forth and you get some clearance between those doors. And then screw them tight. Once they're tight, then you got a door that self-closes again. And the door doesn't stay open. Thank you. Call Cherry Creek Refrigeration.